Alright, we got a new partner. We got a product to try out. Hang tight. Haloview wanted us to try out their backup camera and TPS monitoring system. So we'll be hooking these babies up and giving them a try. Because if anybody knows, Jim used to be a tire man, so he knows how well these things will work and how they should work. The signal booster and what?
Oh, I have to look at the instructions.
Yeah, we had to look at the instructions. We've seen other people have these, but Haloview reached out and wants to try these, so we'll give it a try. We never had anything like this before, but Jim's seen them in when he's installing tires. Yeah, they sent us some extra stuff here, antenna and everything.
Water clips, antenna. Just a piece on there like that.
And here's the SD card or something. I don't know what that is there exactly. Because they said they were sending some other things for us to try. So, if anybody uses Haloview and the TPS monitoring system, leave me a comment below and tell me what your experience has been. I'd like to know. And did you have any trouble installing it? Let us know. This was it. If anybody has that model or any type of their models, let me know. After we gave them all the measurements and everything, it took about a week to get here. A lot of parts in there. A lot of parts.
Single booster.
Is that a mount for this thing?
Mount for the camera.
Camera.
There's another mount. There's a camera.
Oh, the camera that goes on the back of the rig?
Yep.
Okay.
If you want to do on that.
And that should be the thing that you mount on the dash. Yeah. It's got a pretty good big screen to it.
7-inch TPS on the other there, and then the camera hooked over here.
So that thing there would tell us what's on the tires too, the
Yeah,
monitor
tell
tires,
tire pressure.
and
Have the camera hooked up to it.
yeah. Okay. Like I said, we've never had any TPS system at all, or backup camera. We've never had any of that. But
There's a single booster.
we're willing to try it out for them and see if we can hook it up and how well it works. And give them their honest review how good it is and if we have any issues with it. And then down the road we'll do another one.
Here's the TPS.
And we had to tell them how many tires we had, what kind and everything. The measurements from the front to rear and everything. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in there. Like I said, if anybody's ever had one of these systems before, leave me a comment below.
Yeah, that's it. We need reading instructions.
Yeah, we're going to read our instructions. So hang in there and stay tuned. We'll be reinstalling this baby here before long. So hang tight. Well, I won't install it. Jim will install it. Or maybe Tucker will install it for us. So see y'all later.